The word exhausted doesn't really cut it for how I feel right now. I need a coffee. Apparently in Rome, there's all these water fountains and they're really, really clean and you can just drink from them. So I brought a water bottle. I'm gonna actually see how this tastes because, I mean, it doesn't really look the most hygienic of all places. I think there's a problem with the water pressure. So I got what I desperately needed, a coffee. And yeah, I bought a pastry as well. This pastry looks absolutely amazing. Extremely overpriced though. This cost me €7. I didn't even realise how expensive this place was until I bought it. Oh my god, possibly the best pastry I think I've ever had. I also bought this travel card called Omnia and I need to go and pick it up in person to use it. It's 3:30 and I've got until 4 o'clock, which is when it closes. The lady at the hotel gave me this map and she said, this is where I'm staying. I had to walk down here, all the way over here and collect my pass from here. Who even uses maps anymore? This street that I've got to walk down is absolutely beautiful. Like, I don't know, could this maybe be where you give your dog a drink? Excuse me, can you drink this? You can drink this. Fresh. An accurate representation of me right now walking through Rome is quite literally just this. Everywhere you look, the architecture, the buildings, everything's just so... Why is my camera on? So that is an Egyptian obelisk. The only obelisk I'm actually aware of is Obelisk the Tormentor from Yu-Gi-Oh! Oh, the size of that! That is a person. So this absolutely humongous basilica is where I need to get my travel ticket. It closes at 4 o'clock and it's now 3:45, so I need to go quick. Ooh, security is tight here. Is this where I get my Omnia card? Amazing. So this is my magic Rome travel card. Gives me access to 2 museums. Pretty amazing. But the only catch is you've got to pay €100. So, and I need this to get into the Vatican. If I don't have this, which I keep dropping, I'm not going to the Vatican. But yeah, thank you. So I'm inside the basilica, and these statues, they're absolutely massive. They're probably the size of about 4 people. His foot is quite literally the length of my forearm. Is this where I get my audio guide with the magic Omnia card?
It's late.
Oh, it's late?
No. I give you only for the cloister.
For the cloister, that's fine, yeah. Just picked up my audio guide. Just found out that the Pope has sat on there. I'm gonna touch it. My hand is now blessed. That was absolutely unbelievable. I turned up late, so I only got to use the audio guide for the courtyard, but I might actually return just so I can like do the whole thing. Special place. Just through there are the steps that Jesus walked up when he went on his trial to Jerusalem, and it's a really kind of surreal feeling. So that was pretty amazing, really surreal if you think about it, that Jesus walked up those steps, and then I obviously went up and touched them as well. So yeah, mental. Starving now though, so gonna go nip out and grab a sandwich or something, a little bite to eat. There's apparently a really good spot around here, and then on to the next place. I've not decided what I'm doing next, but we shall see. I'll tell you what, let's do the one that you originally said. The one that you originally said, yeah?
Yeah, no problem.
Nice one. That food was pretty decent. It is dark now, which is annoying. So right now I'm gonna go check out some of the tourist attractions at night time. The Colosseum is meant to be sick at night because change the camera a little bit. Because apparently there's nobody there. It's like an hour's walk, so it's a lot of walking, but that's what I'm here to do. So I'll see you guys down there. Absolute goals with the Colosseum in the background. And then there's me coming to Rome on my own with a video camera, talking to myself. I can't actually believe it's the Colosseum. It's absolutely enormous. But I also can't believe how cold it is. Like, I might actually have to take this shirt off and wear it. But then I'm not gonna have anywhere to carry my camera, which is a major inconvenience. Nope, it's too cold. I'm putting this shirt on. That's a lot better. So this is the altar of the fatherland behind me, which is that massive thing over there, and this was built to honour the first king of Italy. I'm probably going to head back to my hotel now because I'm really, really tired. I feel super jet lagged, even though it doesn't count as jet lag because this flight was a 2-hour flight and we're pretty much in the same time zone, but still I'm exhausted. This is absolute mayhem, the way that you cross a road. Like, everyone's just meant to stop for you, but it's just like carnage. Kind of disappointed myself because I keep walking past all these Italian style restaurants like pasta, pizzas, and obviously I've eaten a sandwich, so I'm not really that hungry right now.
Traditional Italian liqueur, 27%.
27%?
Yeah.
Okay, that works. Lemon liqueur. It's good. 30%?
Yep.
Are you trying to get me drunk?
No.
That's a bit too strong.
From Sorrento, 32%.
Oh my god. That one's nicer than the one that you just gave me.
It's a local liqueur made of 6 kind of different grapes.
Okay, how many percent?
17.
That's the only question that I want. So not as strong as the last 3. Last 3? Last 2? How many have I had? This is number 4. So I can't even count.
Yeah.
I only came for a browse. I ended up going through the whole selection. Like, I love truffle.
Black.
I love truffle. Spicy olive oil with bread. That's really spicy.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's really spicy.
I really like that. I don't know about you, but
That's really good. It's hot though. Whew. Might need more of that 32%, but it's not.
That's right.
Nutella, here we go. On there.
on the
Pistachio Nutella sort of situation on bread, but it's not chocolate, so it's not Nutella. Wow.
Yeah.
Melon cream of melon, I guess.
think it has 2% of alcohol inside.
You got alcohol, even the bread. Has the oil got alcohol?
No, not that.
What is this? Lemon.
Yeah.
Yep. Nice to meet you. Bye. I thought with it being dark, it would be quiet, but it's not. It's absolutely swarming with people. But here it is, Trevi Fountain. It's pretty amazing. It's definitely a sight to come and see. I'm gonna head over to the Spanish Steps now as the last place today, and then I'm gonna head back to the hotel because, yeah, tired. Those liqueurs have definitely gone straight to my head. And these are the Spanish Steps. Do know that you cannot sit on these steps, and I think that's why all these guys with fluorescent jackets are on here, because they're fining people 400 euros if you sit on them. So yeah, don't do that. And we've made it to the top, and such a pretty view that you are greeted with. Okay, so genuinely knackered and genuinely finding a way home. Google Maps says it's a 50-minute metro journey, so I'm gonna head over there now. Let's go. And that's pretty much it for today's vlog. I would strongly advise against having 3 hours sleep to do Rome, because I cannot explain how exhausted and how dreadful I feel right now. Make sure you tune in to next week's video, where it's going to be the 48-hour vlog in Rome. Please comment on this video, please like it, and also press the subscribe button and click the bell button so you get notifications every time I post a video. So I'll see you guys in the next one.